Hello, hi all. Yeah, hi all. Let's wait for a few more folks, okay? Then we'll get started. Please mention in the comments whether my audible or not. Hi Bhargavi, good evening. Thanks for joining. I saw you are consistent from first day. That's great. Yeah, we'll be waiting for 3 more minutes and then we'll get started. Okay. Please be patient for that. Yeah, why we have so many less viewers today? What's happening, guys? Boring. Mhm. Yeah, okay, fine. We'll get started then. Yeah, earlier we have discussed about oops, right? Uh, Let me bring my notepad. Let's see what we have covered from earlier days, okay? Initially, we're going through. Let me increase this. Yeah, earlierly, first day, what we did is we discussed about introduction, okay? Introduction to Java and data types. Then we went through the primitive data type. Sorry, we went through the array. Sorry, conditional statements. Okay, conditional statements and loops. Okay, then we went through like arrays and strings. Okay, and oops introduction. Then later what we did yesterday is continuation to oops, continuation to oops, and today what we are going to discuss is some more hands-on on oops. Okay, hands-on on oops, and what we'll do is like custom classes. Okay, and then we'll move to the collection framework. Okay, collection framework, we're going to discuss like a hands-on on oops, and then custom classes and collection framework. Okay, yeah, we will do this. So what we'll do is let me bring my eclipse. Okay, sorry, actually I forgot to bring this up. Yeah. Hi Vaishnavi, hi Shashi, thanks for joining. Great, it's great, you guys are consistent. Great for that. So what we'll do is uh, okay, let me delete all this. Okay, delete. What we'll do is like we will create some class. Okay, let it be the main class. Okay, where it contains the main method. Okay, this is the boilerplate code. Let it be the main class. Let's have one class naming like students. Okay, let's have it like students, let it be. Then what we'll do is we'll create some students. Okay, we'll create some students, and what we'll do is we'll do some manipulation on it. Okay, before that let me create one student's data here. Like what I will do is private string name and private string uh, like age, private int age, and then private string college name. Okay, let it be college. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm creating one students class. In it we have three variables or data members. So what we'll do is we'll create we are encapsulating it. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll create, let's go to source and generate getters and setters. Okay, select all and I will generate it. We have getters and setters, and then okay, uh, and let me have the toString method also to print the values. Okay, so what I'll do is I will generate two strings also. ToString, all the method generate, yeah, students and toString. Okay, what I will do is let me, okay, before this hands-on, let's go to collection framework. Okay, then it will be easy for you guys to know. So let it be new class collection framework. Okay, let it be collection framework, and I'm using this. So before going to that, we'll go to collection framework, then we'll just iterate it. Okay, so just forget about the main and students class, just go to the collection framework now. Okay, so let me tell you why this collection framework. Okay, why collection framework. So initially we saw the arrays, right? How we declared arrays? Int array, okay, equals to new array, sorry, new int. What we did, we provided size. Okay, what we did, let's like it int size equals to 5. Okay, we provided 5 size, right? So okay, if you have 5 elements in this array, it's fine. If you are expecting more size, then what it will be, like you have to again create one array. Okay, again you have to create one array, and you have to create size, and it should be more than this, right? Above 5. So what you will do, you will give some 10 here. So okay, fine till now. Let it be array 1. So if you have again more size, so it is not resizable itself, right? So for this, it's like a what we can say, it's like some bug or something like that, like we were not able to resizable, right? So for that, what our Java developers did is they have created the dynamic array. What it is? Dynamic array. What this dynamic array is? Nothing but array list. Okay, what it is? Dynamic array is array list. This array list is implemented through list interface. Okay, list interface. So before list interface, we'll go to the interface. Okay, what is interface? Interface is nothing but same like classes. Okay, same like classes, but we will create the interfaces using interface keyword. What we'll do, we'll make it like interface rather than class. See, it's working, right? So what is the interface? It is same like class, but it's not class, and we can't instantiate the variables, and we were not able to create the objects for this. Okay, so those are interface. If you consider the dynamic array, this is the array list. So we'll check how this array list will be. Okay, so in list interface, what we have is, like we will be having array list. Okay, array list, we'll be having linked list. Okay, and okay, these are main. Okay, we'll discuss about these two because we are mostly using the array list and some cases linked list. Okay, so inside array list, it will use again array only. Okay, but it will be automatically increased by the size. Okay, rather than we are doing outside. Here linked list will be using the internally double linked list. Okay, so same linked list will be acted as like same normal array or list only. If you come from Python, we will be having list, right? So these are the same. Okay, I hope you got this. Okay, so we will be having list. Okay, we will be having set is nothing but if you come from Python or anything, we'll be having some hash set, we'll be having some tree set, and all this kind of stuff. What are these sets? Set is nothing but it's type of a data structure where we will be having the elements inside. It will be using same internal data structure will be set, but what it will internal data structure will be array only, but how it will be executed or how it will be handled. So for that it will be using the set is nothing but it won't allow the duplicate values. Okay, this hash set or tree set. Okay, hash set is nothing but it will be dealing with the hash table, which is the advanced topic for you. Just as of now, just just think about this. Okay, and here tree set internally we will be using some trees and all those stuff. So just just think of these sets only. Okay, set is nothing but one type of a collection framework where in it we are not able to give the duplicate data. Okay, we'll be seeing the instantiation, like how it will be declared, all those things. And then we'll be having some map. Okay, map is one of the interface where we'll be denoting. If you see the python, we'll be having dictionary, right? Dictionary. So same here, map. Here in map there is some difference where these values, okay, what we can say, these elements will be stored in such a way that as key value pairs. How it will be stored? Key value pairs. Inside also we'll be having different types of maps, such as hash map, okay, linked hash map and all those things. So just think about these things. So collectively for all these things we will be known as collection framework. Okay, so initially what we'll do is we'll discuss about the array list. Okay, I will give you few examples how it will be declared. Okay, so what we'll do normally is like we'll use the list interface. Okay, and we will be providing the data types which we are including there. So if you see, we have primitive data types, right? Earlier we have primitive data types. Primitive. What is primitive data type? Int, float, double. Okay, double, boolean. Okay, boolean. These are nothing but the primitive data types. These are used for primitive data. Okay, when we deal with the primitive data. Okay, and for these we have non-primitive also. Okay, we'll be having non-primitive also. These are nothing but the wrapper classes. Okay, these are nothing but wrapper classes. Okay, where we have integer, float and boolean and all this kind of stuff. Okay, and character. Okay, these are nothing but the wrapper classes which are dealing with non-primitive data. So to create any array list or anything, what we'll do is, okay, we'll use list interface. Okay, and we'll give list or anything variable here. It's a reference variable, I already said, right? We'll access the elements with this. And what we'll do, new array list. Okay, what we'll do, new array list. This is the syntax how we instantiate the, and this list will be in our import java.util.list. Okay, we see scanner, right? We see scanner. Where it is present? It is present also in java.util.scanner. Okay, same in this way we have this one. Okay, so in normal data, what we'll do, normal arrays we'll do like this, right? Instantiation, new int, and we will be giving the size. Check the difference here. Okay, int is using here, we are using integer. This is the array name, this is the list name, and we are using new keyword, we are using new keyword. This is of data type int, and this is data type of like integer, but we will giving array list here. Okay, this is the syntax. Just follow up the syntax. Okay, you will get to know how the manipulations will be done. So what we can do is we can add an element. Okay, we can add an element using the method. So why this collection framework is important? Because you're doing DSA, right? In DSA, for C++ you will be having HTL. For Python you will be having some modules like I already said, this list, set, tuple and dictionaries, right? Same for for our Java, what we have is collection framework. Okay, so this is important to learn. Okay, for DSF, for C++, we have HTL, and for Python we have modules like list, set, tuple, dictionaries, and for Java we have collection framework. Okay, so keep in the mind this Java collection framework is important. Okay, now how we will be adding the elements into the array list? Okay, this is the doubt, right? We will be using list dot add method. Okay, see here, if you are using any IDE, you will get the what we can say, the recommendations. That means, see here, list that support this appends the specified element to the end of the list. So initially we have 0, right? Size is 0. So what I'm doing, I'm adding 1. Okay, and next I'm adding 2, and then I'm adding 3, and then I'm adding add 4. Okay, so I'm able to add this, and if I wanted to print this, system dot out dot println, what I want to do is I wanted to print the list. Okay, check this, how we added the list and how we are printing here. See the list, how it is like looking like. See, 1 2 3 4, because we have this one. So if I want to get, okay, here we are adding, we are inserting into the list. If I wanted to get the particular element, what to do? We have get method, where we can get any of the element which have with the index here. If you provide the index, see, it's a 0 index, right? It's at 0 index, it's at 1 index, it's at 3, it's at sorry, it's at 2, and it's at 4. So now I'm wanted to get the element at 0 index. That means I want to get the one element. So if I run this, we are getting 1. If I change it to 3, here what I get? I get 4, because it's at 0 index. It's at 1. Okay, like that we are having this. So it will be easy to do the manipulation. So we will be using the array. Same for the linked list, we change linked list here, that's it. Okay, we'll be changing linked list here, that's it. Okay, now linked list can be added like this. Same, normally you are getting an error here, no. So if you want to get, you can do this. Okay, same, array list or linked list are same almost in terms of operation, but internal usage is different. So we don't require that much internal details. Okay, so if you consider this one, this is the thing. And then let's go to the set. Okay, set integer. Okay, integer equals to set equals to new. Let's import this. We'll be having set in detail package, and see here, you can give set here, or else we can give something like new as set. Okay, we can give like this also. So if set is implemented internally, so what I will do is set that add. We can add like this, you can explore anything, do, and set that add 4, and set that add 5, and set that add 2 again. So let's see how it will be printed. Okay, let's see how the data will be printed. So I'm printing set, we are expecting 2452, right? So let's check what it will be. Oh shit, why it's giving 245? There is another 2 is also there, right? Earlier I only said set is like it won't allow duplicate values. Okay, if you wanted to do a manipulation on data where you won't have to get the data in duplicates, so you can use set here. Okay, this is the one use of this one. If I use tree set, okay, if I use tree set here, okay, if I use tree set here, what is the thing is, so I will add like this. Okay, uh, let's print it. We are getting 245, right? Let's make it like 6 645, and let's print it. See how we are getting in sorted order. Okay, if you want to get the data in not duplicates and in sorted manner, you have to use the tree set there. Okay, before you have to give set, and here we have to give tree set. Okay, I hope you understood this one. So when it comes to the map, okay, map, okay, here we have to give two values. What it is the key, okay, like I'm giving integer here, and I'm expecting the integer here, or what I will give is I will give like string here. Okay, string map equals to new hash map. What I will do, I will take hash map. So don't confuse like why I am using hash map and all those things. It is like internally it will be using map, but hash table is included, so it is like important one. So now if I want to add the data here, something is different here. Okay, we have something different here. So we will use put. Okay, we will be using put method. So in first key I have to have the value as Pranav, my name. Okay, in the second map I have to keep the second value as something like codes print. Okay, and in third one map dot put. Okay, and third place I wanted to put uh, Satya like this. Okay, so these are the values. So I'm missed to give the quotation marks for these and for these and for these. Okay, as it is string, right, it is giving error here for me. See, so what I did, I kept at first key we have Pranav, and second key we have code sprint, and third key we have Satya. So if you wanted to access this one, this value, you have to use the key. Okay, so map dot get. See here what it is accepting, it is accepting key. That means if you give one, it will return Pranav. Okay, get of what I will do is I will give one here, and system dot out dot println. Okay, so what I'll give is map dot get of one. Okay, we'll see what it will return. Okay, so what it is returning, it is returning Pranav. And if you want the value at third key, we will get Satya. Okay, this is how we will do. And please explore all these methods. Okay, if you keep map dot something, you will be having more and more methods here. So you can do whatever you can with these methods. Due to time constraint, I'm just introducing this collection framework. Okay, so I hope you understood till this, like we mostly important array list. Okay, yeah, Dhanesh, yeah, Kaushik, good evening, thanks for joining, man. Yeah, I hope you guys are clear here. Okay, we'll go to the other things, like we'll go to the hands-on of that one. Okay, you will get to know why this collection framework is important. Okay, I hope you understood till this. Okay, these are most important. If I wanted to go deep dive into this, you may get confused. Okay, just as of now, just go through this like list, set, and map. We will be having stack and QA also. Okay, I will let you give some intro about those in like ending of the session. Okay, uh, yeah, yeah, thank you, Kaushik, for your confirmation. So yeah, we'll go to our this one. Okay, we'll have it that way. So see, we have students, right? So what I'm doing is I'm creating the custom object. Okay, I'm creating the custom object. Okay, here see, if I create a list, what I will do, I will create using some integer, right? List equals to new array list. Okay, array array list, sorry, array list, right? So if I wanted to give the data as integers, okay, if I wanted to give the data as integers, I'm giving this one. So think in a way that I have so many students. Okay, think in a way that in our class we have so many students, right? Okay, or in any village or anywhere we have so many students. So if I wanted to do a manipulation of that particular students, so many students, not one student, so what we can do, we can give students here instead of okay, okay, we can give students. So it is giving like this because we are in the same package, so it is not importing. We have here only. So see where it is coming from, come dot code sprint dot students. Okay, this is the students class. So think in such a way that if I wanted to store the students, here we have to give the list of students, right? So what I will do is list dot add. Okay, what we can do here, students objects, right? So how will instantiate that? Okay, we can instantiate like this, new students. Okay, and here let's have a constructor. Okay, to instantiate, let's have a constructor here. So what I will do, I'll go to source and I will generate constructor with the fields. Okay, now it's fine, right? We have constructor as well. So here, before going to list, what we'll do is we'll close the list thing. So I wanted to create one student. Okay, students, student 1 equals to new students. Okay, new students of C. Check the values here, what it is expecting. Okay, what it is expecting, string. So what is the first one? It is name, right? Let's have name as Kaushik. Okay, let's have a string here, Kaushik, and let it age will be 21 and the college will be like XYZ. Okay, let's have college as XYZ. And in the same way I wanted to add students, student 2 equals to new students. Okay, new students of, what I will give, Bhargavi. Let's her age will be 20 and let's her college will be A B C. Okay, I will add another students, student 2, student 3 equals to new students. Okay, and let's take some names from our chart. Vaishnavi. Okay, Vaishnavi, let her age be 22 and let it college will be CBB. Okay, something like that. So now we have 3 students. Okay, what I want to do is, in these 3 students I wanted to filter out the student who have age greater than 21. Okay, from these students I wanted to filter out, okay, what is the age of this, if I have this one. Okay, so rather than keeping like this, okay, rather than keeping like this, what we can do is we can have these many students into the list. Okay, we can have this many students into the list of students, where I will give it as students equals to new, equals to new array list. Okay, array list. What I will do is I will add this one into the array list. Okay, students that add. Okay, what I will do, students that add new students of this one. Okay, it's fine, right? I have created a list of students to do the manipulation on this. So what I will do, I will remove this. Okay, I will keep it in some this one. Okay, students dot add. Okay, then here also I will remove this, students dot add. Okay, new students, and what I will do, I will close it here. So see, if I wanted to print out this one, how can I do sys out? I'll print just students here. So see how the list of students will be printed here. Okay, see here how these are printing. Name Kaushik and all those things. Name Bhargavi, like this. So if you wanted to print any way, like in other way, you can change here in the students. Like we can remove this one. We can remove this one. Okay, we can have name and all those things, and we can have slash and here. Okay, let's print this now. See here how it is printed. Name Kaushik, age 21, like this. So what I want to do is I have to manipulate something like this. If list students. Okay, before that we have to iterate through the list, right? For int I wanted to do is if age is greater than 20, print this, like print those students names. Okay, if age is greater than 20, print those student names. Okay, fine. What I will do is, let's write a for loop here. Int I equals to 0, I less than students dot size and I plus plus. See, in array we have length, right? In array we have length. In this collection framework we have size. Okay, to get the size, int I equals to 0, I less than students dot size I plus plus. Okay, if students dot, okay, if students dot get of 0 of I. Okay, that means I am accessing this particular student. If I equals to 0, I am accessing first student, and if uh, I is equals to 1, this is the second student, third student. Okay, if students dot get of I dot get age, what I'm doing, I'm getting their age is greater than 20. Okay, greater than 20. What I want to do, system dot sys out. Okay, what I want to do is I wanted to print students dot get of I dot get name. I wanted to print the name. Okay, now let's check if it will be giving the current output or not. Okay, see, we have two, right? Like Kaushik has age 21 and Vaishnavi has age 22. Okay, let's see whether it is giving the correct output or not. See, we are getting Kaushik and I am getting Vaishnavi. This is the way how our backend code will be. Okay, we are not using the simple like primitive data types or anything. Okay, we will be having one class like this. Okay, and we will be doing the manipulations on the data by using getters and setters. We will be having. Okay, let's do some manipulation here. If age is greater than 20, okay, or what we can do, if name is okay, if get name, if name is equals to dot equals, Okay, let's equals to Kaushik. What I want to do is I wanted to change the name. Okay, I wanted to change the name of that Kaushik college name. So what I will do, I will get that particular student. Okay, get of I dot get of college, or get of I dot set college as what I will do. I will name it as CVV. Okay, I will name it as CVV. Okay, I'm setting here, and then what I want to do is I have to print, right? It is normally setting. So what I will do is I will print here the all data. Okay, I wanted to set the college name and sys out. I wanted to print the whole list. Okay, or students dot get index of, we have zeroth index, right? Okay, yeah, I'm printing only that one. Let's see whether college name is changed. Yeah, exactly, here college name is changed, right? Yeah, here we are getting setting the data. It's okay for here. In this situation our college name is changed. Okay, this is how we were doing the manipulation on the data. Okay, we are using the oops in this way. Okay, here we are achieving encapsulation. Okay, this is nothing but encapsulation, right? We are hiding the data, we are using this through getters and setters. So this is the actual, like if you go to, like go to the programming questions like TCS, after joining into the TCS you will be having some exams in that they will ask these kind of questions. Okay, so I hope you understood this one hands on some oops concepts, like how we use the custom objects here. Okay, you can try. I will share this code. Okay, I'll share this code with uh, in the channel. Okay, I'll share with the team, and then you will use this and you can do manipulation on data, like sorting on these and all those things. Okay, I hope you understood right now. Are you good, guys? Hello, please add in the comment section if you have anything. Okay, are you good, guys? Yeah, Sheikh Haspa, thanks you. Understood how our oops will be helping here. Okay, we are not using primitives here. Check this. This is one class. Okay, this is one class. These are the data members. Okay, these are the objects. Okay, this is one object. This is one object. Okay, this is the constructor. I talked earlier, right? This is the constructor. So what we are doing, we are creating one constructor, we are getting the data, we are setting the data. Okay, we are printing the data using the toString method. Okay, I hope you understood, like how the things are going to happen. Okay, yeah, yeah, I said right earlier we will be having. Mhm. Let's go to some oops questions. Okay, Yeah, okay, I will be adding the attendance link now. Okay. Yeah. And one thing to announce, like I forgot to say that. Okay, there is one thing to discuss where, okay, there will be a final quiz today. Okay, I'm giving the link, attendance plus quiz link, in the chat now. So there will be 10 MCQs. Okay, so if you get the score greater than 40%, okay, need to score at least 40%. Okay, then you will get the certificate. If not, then you won't get. Okay, I hope like from the classes I already saw the quiz. Okay, you will be mostly getting 90%. Okay, I'm hoping through my classes. Okay, just check the sum methods, like I said about strings, arrays, and all those things, right? Just check the sum methods and all those things, then you will get like 40% and above. Okay, you'll easily, I hope you all get. Okay, let me add that link in the chat. Okay, now let's let you guys like access those then. Okay, I'm pinning it as well, so please don't forget to access that, and please mention in the comment after attending the quiz in the comment section after this live ends. Okay, I will check how many of you, like I am seeing the consistent people here, so I will check how many will get above 40%. And yeah, you can connect me within LinkedIn also. You can send me how much much you got also. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe. Okay, we are planning, I'm personally planning, like we'll be having some Java backend development boot camps as well in the future, not now, in the coming days. Okay, I discussed with the team as well, so we'll do the backend development as well. So it's not that much tough, Java is. I hope you got some idea, right? So how Java will be and how easy it will be. Just for seeing, it's hard. See, if you don't know anything about that, it will be like easy. No, sorry, hard. So when you deep dive into it, then only it will be easy. Okay, I hope you learned something in this 5-day Java bootcamp, and I hope you are able to crack any interview with the Java if you have some more hands-on. Okay, yeah, Kaushik, thanks for that. Okay, thanks for your encouragement. Yeah, all of you, like I'm telling to all. Okay, yeah, I hope you learned something new in the Java bootcamp as other bootcamps as well. So if you have any queries from these 5 days, and if you have any future guidance or anything, please let me know. In 10 minutes, I will let you tell how will be the process, how will be the exams, and how will all these kinds of stuff which are revolves around the Java. Okay, so I will let you know here. And if you wanted to connect with me, I'm mentioning my name. Okay, you can connect with me in LinkedIn also. Okay, I'm mentioning the name here. You can send a connection request for me, and you can ask anytime any guidance from me. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe to Code Sprint and follow the all the links which are in the description. Okay, so please make sure you subscribed all those things. Okay, so if you think I have missed something, or like we wanted to cover, or if you have any future guidance, like to maintain some consistency over these all those things, you can mention in them. Okay, I'll be waiting for your questions. Yeah, Bhargavi, Vaishnavi, why you are silent? You will be asking some questions, right, daily? Yeah. On first day we have 100. So consistency was decreased by day. I hope you all are clear. Yeah. I hope you attended the quiz and filled the form. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you for attending. Please keep learning. Okay. If you have any doubts, please ping me in LinkedIn and have a connection request. Okay. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to Code Sprint. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. I'm ending the stream. Bye bye. Thanks for making our bootcamp successful. Okay. We will planning more on future. Okay. Thanks. Yeah.